Hey, what's up? This is Yuda from BeatLab Academy. We got a new BeatLab exclusive Max for Live device, which helps you see which instrument is currently active in an instrument track. So it's a live performance utility. Let's check it out. Okay, so first thing, let's install it. You can drop in the file, the AMXD file, anywhere you want, and just add that folder to the Ableton browser. Or if you want to install it in your user library, just go user library, presets, MIDI effects, max MIDI effect, and you can drop it right here. Let me just drag it. Nice, and I already have it, so I'm not going to overwrite. So now that's installed, let's see how to set it up and how to use it. So first we need an instrument track. I'm going to load, let's say, electric first. I'm going to group it into an instrument, just click on it, Command or Control G, and you're in an instrument track. Let's open up the chain list, and we can drop more instruments here. So let's say we want a drum rack of some sort. And we also want a bass instrument. Let's load something here. Nice. And you can continue and add as many instruments as you want, up to 128 if your computer can handle it. Now we're going to open up the chain list, and we're going to move each zone to the next one. So we got this one. Now with the chain list, with the same selector, we can move between which chain is active, which chain we're actually controlling with the MIDI controller. Here's the drum rack, and here's the bass. Nice. Now, I'm going to load our chain selector display. Sweet. Now what we need to do is just click map and click on the chain selector. And now we can control the chain selector with this knob right here. So if you have a MIDI controller, you can map this knob. Let me go into MIDI mapping mode, click on that knob and move my only knob on my MIDI controller. Nice. And now we're controlling it. Excellent. I can click on the pop-up to open it up. Let's put it here. Now I can open up the setup and start renaming. So number 0 is, what is it? My electric piano. Let's call it EP. Then we have drums, and then we have bass. Excellent. Now, this range of this knob goes from 0 to 127. So that's too much for us right now. We only have 3 instruments. So let me go to the MIDI mapping mode again. And right here we can limit the max amount of the range. Let's do 2, because we only have 3 instruments and it starts at 0. We can also move over our mouse over here. It will tell us 2. Or click on it. It will tell you 2. Nice. And now as I move the knob, it only goes between those 3 instruments. And it also shows us which one is currently active. And we can also switch to a dark theme if you want. Depends on the scenario you're working with. And it's a really great, fun utility. Very helpful. And I want to thank, special thanks to Flying Lotus for requesting this. And now, of course, we offer it to everyone. So check out our blog for more info and download. Catch you next time.